Hello guys, welcome back again in another video. And this video I'm going to cover the Axiom Pro, and this is not the ordinary guide or something like that, a short tutorial. This is a perfect and full tutorial. I'm going to tell you some secrets, features and the hidden features that nobody knows, and the new update of Axiom Pro. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you don't nothing about meme coin, you can just go into description and see various tools that I am using. And for example, this one is called Axiom Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you this one, and the link is in the description. If you use my link, you will get like 5% off on your fees rebate. And yeah, if you don't want to use my link, just go and search on Axiom Pro, and you can find the website itself, but you need to pay for the fees, and that will cost you. If you use my link, then it will be okay. So you need to pay less fees. So as you can see, this is my demo account, and this is for my trading one, the for tutorial one, and in which I have like 0.1 Sol right now at the moment. So let's start the video to give you how everything is working. So yeah, let's start the video. For example, when you just log in, you can just use your login with Phantom wallet. You need a Phantom wallet to connect, and after you connect the Phantom wallet, you can just use this platform, and yeah, you will land into the home page, which is this. And yeah, on this section you will find the deck screener, the trending one. If you click on the trending one, you can see like trending coin right now at the moment. And yeah, this is for the quick one. If you want to just snipe it out and something like that, you can just easily buy it from there. As well as if you want to just go and 1 minute chart, you can see like in 1 minute, you can see in, if you want to like 30 minutes, you can see in 30 minutes as well. And this is the filter section. I'm going to cover this later. And right now I just adjusted it to like 7,500 and 25,000 liquidity. And what is the liquidity? It's mean like the holding amount of the tokens, like you can withdraw your funds or something like that. So this is your setting, and this is actually my setting right now, and it's totally same. So I use 20% slippage and 0.001 priority fees and bribe fees. Basically it's very quick, and MEF reduction is totally off right now at the moment. And this is your wallet. If you want to add multiple wallets, you can add it on here, and if you want to turn on, you can just turn on and turn it to 0. And this is the amount, and this is the presets and amount, similar to like Binance or something like that. It's pretty much simple, guys. Anybody can know this. And this is your where the magic is going to happen, and this is the platform where you can see the number of coins that are coming. So right now the quit coin. So yeah, on downside we can see the preset. You can see the preset. This is your wallet, same. This is your wallet tracker. So you can see the whale activity, how the whales are buying and stuff, selling their stuff. I will show you at this later. And this is your Twitter. So this is your Twitter tracker. I'm going to also show you how to use it. And this is your Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, and Solana. You don't need to any this. And this is your pretty much simple, very simple thing, gas fees and stuff like that. And this is where the magic happen. You can just customize your theme as well. For example, I want to pick up different colors. I want to use this one, so you can just play with that. If you want to go dusk mode, you can just go and see, and this is all your preference and how you like it. So I just use basically the simple one. If you want, you can just reset and click it on this. So this one is pretty much simple. I like simple thing, guys. I'm not a big fan of the stuff. So let's go to the upside. You can see like there are the upper tab. You can see you can just paste the contract address. Okay, if you put the OG mode and the pump only, you can find pretty much good coin. And this is your deposit section. You can just deposit the Solana or something like that. This is your watch list. You can add tokens. This is your notification. This is your wallets, and this is your account security and stuff like that. You don't need this. Let's go to the pulse section. You can just see the different section. I'm going to cover this one by one. This is your pulse section. You can find this is your pulse section. you can find various different coins that are coming. So right now I'm using the simple filters. Do you know why I use simple filters? Basically, I just trade on the volume. You can see like 21k volume and 6k market cap and nothing so smart. And this is for the final stretch. So this one is pretty much simple. You can just copy anything you like it. And this one is for the last one, migrated section. So this is your new pair. Every new pair just come here. Okay, so for example this one, IB Irish Blessing, I'm going to click on it. Oh, okay, let me just turn off the VPN as well. Let me just go and again because of the VPN, sorry guys. Yeah, so we are here on the Irish Blessing, something like that coin, and right now it's only 6.4k, 6.37k, and it goes up to 9.8k. So you can see like the here you can see the icon of the feather. It's mean like uh, someone just tweet about it. So maybe it can go up to high because someone just do some tweet, and this is your volume, liquidity, and something. Everything is pretty much simple. And this one, for example, on the board, this is your 5-minute volume. This is your 1 hour, and everything is very simple, guys. Okay, 5-minute volume is 17.5k, and this is pretty much high as you can see. So yeah, if you want we can just take an entry here for for the educational purposes. For example, if I go with the 0.01 sol, for example, I can go here, and if you just want you can just sell it or something like that. So it's all on you, and this is the setting that I am using. Let me just show you the settings and the something like that. So this is the preset settings, preset 1, preset 2, preset 3, and this is the for cell second. This for the cell settings I am using the 40% slippage because I want to exit fast basically. So that's why. And this is the bubble map. Basically you can see the holders and the stuff like that, the top traders, the positions as well. So you can just see the trades, how it's going and everything like that. It's similar to Binance or something like that. And this is your the final stretch section. When the token just migrated to pump.fund to Radium, so it goes to like here, and you can see like find various currencies like there. For example, right now this one is looking cool to be honest. And yeah, I just want to see like a good one. See, this is the icon basically. So let me just check it out, some good coins. I don't know why it's just doing this stuff, weird stuff. Sometimes it's do some weird stuff to be honest guys. And let's open Bitcoin. So this one is the bundle coin guys. You need to avoid this one. Basically these are the bundles, and it goes up and just go in the various and simplest flow. And yeah, and this one is the, I think, also the bundle one. Let me check just the holders as well. So this one is looking actually legit. I don't know why the volume is so high to be honest. And for example, if we go to the Dino one, if you just click on the right click on the coin, and you can just find many good coins right now at the moment. Let me turn on the VPN. So basically I use VPN, so it can just show me the best one here right now at the moment. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Sometimes the website gets so heavy, so make sure you guys just use it. Basically this one is much better than the BullX and something like that. The reason is very simple. It's very simple to use. And this one is the migrated section. When the token just get migrated, it goes here. As you can see right now, at the moment it just go up to 63k, and right now at the 21k, 32k. So yeah, the pretty much simple things basically. And for this video I'm just showing you the basically the education stuff. Basically you just need to know how to use this type of platform. This is where you can see the volume and stuff like that if you are a more kind of insider trader. And this one is the for the customization. For example, let me just click on the insider as well, so you can just see the insiders that have migrated, the stuffs like that, samples. So this one is the pretty much very good feature of this Axiom Pro. And the blacklist F, you can just add the blacklist F. This is the sniper setting. I just if I want to snipe something, I can snipe here and do some trading or stuff like that. And next thing is the tracker. This is where the magic happened. Basically right now I have the cake address, so you can put any address if you want, to be honest. And yeah, so I'm going to show you only, for example, just see the left side only, do not see this side. Basically I'm going to show you it later. This is where you can just add the wallet. If you go to the GMGN, I'm going to show you. This is the GMGN. This is also the link is in the description. If you use my link, you will get up to 5 Solana for reward. And yeah, but it's for only first first 10 views. And yeah, so if you already just use my link, so you won't get it. So yeah, it will be just like a lucky draw. So yeah, so let's go to the GMGN. And you can see like right now I have the wallets. For example, I could just copy this wallet and go to Axiom Pro and just put it here. Let me just copy his name as well. Like his win rate is crazy. So I have Cupsy as well, but these type of wallet do not just believe on that things. Basically the reason is very simple. Basically they have just high volume. Right now they are using 3.31 Sol and pretty much high volume, guys. So be careful when you're just tracking these type of whales. And like I am in the insider group, so I know which coins are better one. So right now this is the tracker, and if you go down here you can find a free Twitter tracker here, a free Twitter tracker. And you can just click on this, you can find the coin if you want. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to know. Like for example, let me just show you. If you go here, you can find the regarding tweets basically. So this is the thing that you need to know when you are just trading the meme coin. And I will show you how to add this and how to use this. Let's start this thing. So if you go to the Twitter alerts section, right now it's here, and go to a Twitter tracker. It's your Twitter tracker. And if you go to customize feed, you just click on the customize feed and go to, you can see like your list will be empty. You can just name list whatever I want. Like for example, my list is default one. If you go to subscription, you can just add here. Like for example, I want to add like for example, I want to add this guy, 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 this guy. And for example, if I want to add everyone, each one of these, so this is your free Twitter tracker, guys. And for example, if you want to import user, you can just click on the import, or you can just click on the add handle section. Let me just show you above. You can just do whatever you want. You can just do whatever you want. If you want, if for example, if you don't want to add anything, you don't need to add anything. For example, if you just go and paste the specific handles, for example, like in your the web application of the Twitter, you can just find so many users name and just bulk import it so you can. So this is basically the best feature that I like in the Axiom Pro. The link is in the description. If you use my link, guys, you will receive 5 to 10% off on your first trade, and maybe you receive some Solana as well. So it's all depend on you. And this is the the perpetual section, the features one, and this is the risky one. So I don't use it right now. I'm just into more into the meme coin trading, and I just don't trade future, guys. I just hold it and sell it on high, buy in low and sell it on high. This is my strategy. And this is your yield section. So basically this thing is like one in go platform, guys, seriously. So this one is the pretty much simple things, the Axiom platform. And yeah, so for example, like this one is pretty much easy platform to use. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you can see my each settings, guys. I have shown you everything A to Z, and I hope you like this video. And if you want to see me trading live, I can do live streaming when we reach to 10K subscriber. And please, guys, just subscribe to my channel and help me. And I know I'm kind of a busy guy. I'm running an agency at that moment, but it's too hard for me to create the videos for you. But I try my best to take more time, and to spare some time. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. You love me so much. Yeah, thank you guys for showing me so much love, and stay tuned for more and wait for the next video. Thank you.